welcome back to our channel where we move and improve. My name is Serphine Olal if you're new here. I want to do my hair, and let me show you the inspo of what I want to do, hairstyle I want to try. And I've never tried doing this type of hairstyle on my own. This will be the first time, so I want to take you through the process. And I've always been afraid of trying color. I won't be doing it in black. I'll be doing it in this number 30, Abuja number 30. It's called Abuja, yeah, Abuja long number 30 from Darling. So Tampa used to think that if you're a bit darker, only dark colors suit you. But nowadays I'm trying to like bring some more color into my life, and I know that other colors also suit this skin tone. So I'll be trying this. I'm hoping I won't look weird at the end, so I'll be taking you through the process. I'm hoping you enjoy, and if you're someone who can braid your hair, I'm hoping you'll be able to try this in the near future. I forgot to tell you that I've already parted my hair. Sabu, the style is not too bulky. It's not a lot of, it doesn't require a lot of braids. I'm hoping so, because I only bought 4 braids. And then my mom helped me part my hair like this. If you're not comfortable parting your hair like straight, you can have someone help you. So yeah, so my style of braiding is called double fixing. I don't know how to do the other one where you just start from the roots without double fixing, so I'll show you what I mean and what I do. So I hope this will be visible. So I've already parted the first, so this will be my first braid here. And so I take a small piece, and then I once I do that, I hope that was visible. Once I do that, I take the bigger chunk, and then, like, this is a bit big, let me reduce it kidogo. This is the braid you take, and then you just put it over this one. Yeah, that is basically it. I find it way easier, and my braids are normally more stronger from the roots compared to when I fix directly from my hair. It's normally like, I don't know how to do that one because they normally come out very loose. So whenever I do this, the hair is much more firm, and then it even like gives me service. It doesn't wear out. I beat a raka basically. So yeah, that is what I'll be doing. I'll be back after I reach somewhere here at least, and then I'll be showing you the progress and what I'll be doing. Sawa, ciao. Hey guys, so it is like an hour and a half later, and this is the progress I've made. I don't know how it looks. I'll just look back at this video and see whether it looks good or it looks shabby, but I'm hoping the results are nice. I think I should do one braid so that I show you what I'm doing, and then I'm leaving this here for the curls that the chick had. So I'll show you guys how I'll do the curls. So, and that is the update of how far I've reached tonight. I think I'll be going to sleep and then I'll finish tomorrow. Wasi, I'm shining. Okay, sawa, bye. Hi guys, so it's the next day and this is the part that I'm left with. Let me get done. I'll come back and do these 2 remaining braids with you, and yeah, I'll show you what I'll do with this part of my hair. I'll show you how to do, in case you want to achieve the same look I'm doing right now. I'll show you what to do in order to get that curly effect towards the end of this braids. So yeah, let me do that, and then I'll be back when I'm almost done, when I'm remaining with these 2. So I felt like the braid wouldn't be enough, and I had a leftover of this gold. This is number 27. So I mixed it up with this one, and now my hair has a goldish touch. I don't feel like it looks bad, and I'll be showing you how I'll be doing the last two. So this is how I've divided. I'm using double fixing again, where like I start with this and then I put this one, like, okay, let me just show you. So the hack I do to make the braid a bit longer, because hapa ni mbele and we want it to match huku nyuma, so I needed the braid to be longer and I didn't want to buy more braids. So you divide it into two like this, and then you join them together from somewhere at the edge like this. So when you do that, it becomes longer than, you see, it's a bit longer. So that is what you do. That's a hack. So I'll do the same for this. See, this is the middle. Unasongesha kando hivyo mwisho, and then you join it to this other part mwisho hivyo, and then you braid it like this. That is how you make it longer. You only braid like 1.5 inch. You don't have to go so long, and then you take the bigger chunk and put it over this one.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside.
So once you get to this part, you're supposed to tie it so that it doesn't unravel. So this is how I tie mine. Yeah, so that's it. We're going to put hot water and make it curly. And so yeah, that is how you do your own braid. If you can do matutas, then you can definitely do your own hair. So that's simple. Let me do this other one.
It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete, just you and me.
D for done. So I'm done. This is how it looks overally, generally. So let me start with the next process, which is like achieving those curls that are in the bottom, that are at the bottom, whatever it is. I've brought the camera closer so that I can show you what is supposed to be done down here for you to achieve a bouncy look. I'm a bouncy at the bottom, like make it spiral. So you need a thread. You need a thread, and then you just wrap it round from where the braiding ended, and then this part, to avoid it being bushy later on, you do this. You twist it like this, and then you just wrap the thread around. So this is what you should have at the end. That's the green thread going all around to the bottom. And then once you've done this, you just hold the thread, and then just pull it up. I'm gonna push it up like this. So this is what we have at the end. This is what we have at the end. These are the ones that I've already done. I'm having, like, my mom is also helping me. So this is what we'll have at the end, and then make sure you've secured down here, because otherwise it will unravel. So you just secure it, whichever knot you decide to use it, secure this place, and you're done. So I'll repeat that with the rest of my head, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Even in a car, after I've done like twisting so that we get the curls, and so after this stage I've just parted my hair into 4 pieces, into four parts, 4 pieces. I've parted it into 4 parts, and then I'm going to be dipping it inside hot water. And after that, I'll remove the strings, and then we'll be done. So let me do that. My hot water is ready. Let me dip them in hot water, and then I'll be back. I did my best to achieve whatever I wanted. So this is the end result after I have removed all the strings from my hair and it is hot watered. This is what this is how it looks. I hope it will be easy to style, but I hope it's not too scattered. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Is this a style you would try? Does it look nice? Does it look nice? Did I do a good job? So comment down below and tell me how you feel about this video. Thank you very much for watching, and tag me in case you decide to try this. Thank you.